Welcome. In front of me is a HONOR MagicPad 4, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, let's find our Do Not Disturb mode toggle, which we can do so by swiping down from the top right side of the screen like so, which will reveal a bunch of toggles, and somewhere in here we should have our Do Not Disturb mode. If you don't see, we can actually swipe down on it or press on that arrow there, and this will extend the list, and there we go, it's right over here. Now if you can't see this toggle anywhere in this list, you can actually add it by clicking right here on this weird box, scrolling down to this section and clicking on Add Tile, and everything right here are toggles that you can add to this list. So click on plus, check mark twice, and you're good to go. Now let's find it again. There we go. First time around, I recommend holding it. And this will take us to the settings, which in here, obviously we can customize. Now there isn't much in here, unfortunately. So we can only set up things like the schedule mode, and we can add, okay, what can we add? Oh, additional schedules. So first toggle obviously turns it on, but we don't need to use this one here. Don't worry about it. In terms of schedules, you can click on them. You can check what days of the week you want it to run through, and then also select the start time and end time for it, which would mean that once enabled, like so, this tablet would then turn on Do Not Disturb mode and turn it off at a specified day of the week, and start time and turn it off at the end time right here. So this is pretty nice if you want to have it automatically just turn on and off. If you also plan to use this mode manually, I actually recommend doing one thing, which is click right here on Add, select it to run every single day of the week, and then select time somewhere probably where you wouldn't be distracted, but you know you would be done needing it. So for me that would be end of the day most likely, or maybe start of a new day. So let's just say I want it at 11, and then I'm gonna set the end time at 11:01. So for just a single minute. Now this way, when enabled, to make sure it's turned on, this way when we go to turn it on, let's just close this up and turn it on. There we go. So we're gonna find it in here, and we're just gonna tap on it, click on enable, and you can see it's now turned on. So with this in mind, typically without this schedule that I have set up, this mode would run indefinitely in the background. So when you forget about it, doesn't matter, it continues to run till you remember to turn it off. But by setting up that single schedule at 11 p.m., it's going to attempt to turn it on, but it would already be on if you forget about it. And then 11:01, it's going to turn it off, which means that you don't need to really remember to turn it off. The device will at least do that for you at the end of each day if it's enabled. Now also one more thing, when turning the schedule or setting up the schedule, make sure it's not at times where you might be distracted, as sometimes depending on your sound settings, when it's turned off, it might be making this kind of noise. Let's see, do I have a what? Oops. So I'm trying to see what we have. So we have everything on. Okay, so there seems to be no sound for it, which if you have some kind of sound at 11:01, this could potentially be the mode turning itself off. But there we go, that's what we can do, how you can set it up. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.